There's a bit there, but all in all, 99%. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. This is a very highly requested video. The Montolit Vibrating Suction Cup. Now, this tool is becoming extremely popular with the installation of large format tile. Your 24-inch by 48-inch, your porcelain panels, 4-foot by 8-foot porcelain panels. What this does is extremely simple. It compresses the ridges, giving you full contact, full coverage at ease. It is battery operated, it is cordless, and it will absolutely speed up the time with the installation of your large format porcelain tiles. Now, we're not going to talk much about this. We're going to get straight to the demonstration. Let's quickly bring the camera up close, unbox this, just show you what's included in this kit here. And we will show you how this Montolit Vibrating Suction Cup installs this, a 20-inch by 36-inch, 40-pound glass panel. All right, let's do this. Let's unbox. Again, the Montolit. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this. I call it the BATTILE. Vibrating cordless suction cup. Includes a case. Let's check it out. Instructions here. Very nice, sturdy, hard case. And there it is, small, compact. You have your unit here, charger, and this is for US outlets. So here is the small unit, very basic, very simple. Your rubber, your suction handle here. This is your dial to increase vibration or decrease vibration. It has a light with a button here. And of course, your trigger. Very simple. Pull, press down on your trigger, find the vibration that you need. You simply compress all of that air within those ridges with this here. Let's show you how this works with our large 40-pound glass panel. Now, before we move on, keep in mind I will leave specs and pricing in the description below on this unit here from Montolit. Well, there it is, guys. This is about 98% coverage, probably 99. There was no back butter with this large panel. The coverage is amazing. This tool is simply amazing. I mean, technology right now is just advancing so quickly for your large format porcelain tiles. Let's quickly bring the camera up close and show you what this looks like here. Well, there it is, the Montolit BATTILE Vibrating Suction Cup. This thing is brilliant. Here is the coverage that I received. No back butter on this. Nearly 99% coverage. It removed all of the air within the ridges here. There's a bit there, but all in all, 99% full coverage, 20-inch by 36-inch glass panel. This is one amazing little tool by Montolit. If you guys like this video, please tap the like button right down there. If you want to see future tile tool videos, tap the subscribe button down there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.